Today we are installing Garagistic's brass brake caliper guide bushing set. This kit is a must if you're tracking your car and using performance pads and you want to maximize the life. Alright, so for this install, first order of business is you're going to remove the caliper guide bolts, the two guides that hold the front part of the caliper in. Then you'll remove the two caliper bolts in the rear, removing the entire caliper assembly. Notice I pulled a jack in here just because I didn't take off the brake line, so that way it's just not hanging by the brake line itself. You let it rest up there at a comfortable height. Next order of business is you're going to have to pull out the original bushings, which are just rubber. I just grabbed a pair of pliers and basically just pulled those things out and then cleaned everything out.
It comes with a, see if you can see it here, snap ring. So what you need here is a set of snap ring pliers that you can go out or opposite. So you can expand it, the pliers go out. This is like mandatory. I try to do it with needle nose and screwdrivers and whatnot. This is the tool that you're going to need. So prior to install, make sure you get the tool.
Okay, here I'm actually putting in the brass guides and I'm putting on the actual snap rings. Again, get yourself a pair of snap ring pliers. It makes this install an actual breeze. Then we go ahead and put the pads back in the caliper and get the caliper ready for reassembly. Okay, so you're going to want to torque the two caliper bolts to 50 foot-pounds and the caliper guide bolts to 22 foot-pounds. That's it for this episode of 333 Motoring. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe. If you have a question, please leave me a comment. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time.